This actually sums up my morning. I was just asked, why do I only have one makeup eye patch? Because that's all I've got. Don't you think one's better than none? Tune in this morning at 10:45 on the morning show. I'm going to be making something very yummy for Christmas, hence the Christmas dress. And this is today's situation. Getting ready. Okay, this is so top secret. I am making Aunty Jojo's pasta salad. Perfect for Christmas. Can be made a couple of days in advance. Watch at 10:45 on the morning show for the recipe. There might be a couple of types of oysters being made today as well. Secret squirrel.
Why do you look like you're so cheeky?
I love the Kilpatrick. Try. Get in, guys.
Oh my god, that's so good. So good.
And they're simple.